great photography skills. Hey guys, it's your girl Allie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 photography hacks. Whether you're a beginner or a professional photographer, I'm going to show you some simple ways you can upgrade your phone pictures and also some cool props you can use with your DSLR camera. I personally love shooting photos for my blog, fashionbyallie.com. I recently just updated my website by transferring my domain to Squarespace. Special thank you to my friends at Squarespace for sponsoring this video. If you're looking to build a website, domain, or online store, make it on Squarespace. If you guys like my photography hacks and want me to make more videos like this, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe, click the button here or down below to join my YouTube squad. So without further ado, let's get started! For the first photography hack, I'm going to talk all about framing the shot. So instead of putting your subject in the middle of the picture, try putting them off to the side or use the 1/3 guideline. It helps guide you through an image and it tells a bigger story. So if you're a fan of taking overhead shots of food or flat lays, you're really gonna love this new feature. So there's this new cross that comes up on the camera app. It will tell you if you're directly aligned overhead of your photos. So now you can perfect all of those foodie shots or flat lays. For the third photography hack, I'm going to have my photographer friend Aditi show you guys a neat photo trick that you can use with your iPhone.
With the panoramic feature on your iPhone, you can create the illusion that there are multiples of you in one photo by panning around as a person moves around you. So you can use this hack in a creative way to ask your friend to prom. You can be like P-R-O-M with your hands and make the signs for them and then give them the whole photo and be like, will you go to prom with me?
Instead of using the regular camera app on your phone, you can shoot raw images directly from the Lightroom app on mobile, and you can adjust the curves and lights directly from the app. I like to use Facetune's teeth whitening tool to whiten the backgrounds of my pictures because I want to have a clean, crisp look.
So you open Facetune, and you go open a photo. So with the whitening option down here, just click it, then go to work on the background, making it whiter.
Additional things that you might want to invest in are iPhone accessories or tools. So these things can definitely up your photography game. I have two things here. I have a ring light and an attachable lens. There are 3 different types of lenses: a wide angle lens, fisheye lens, and a macro lens. So you can get a variety of shots all from your phone and you don't need to carry around a big bulky camera. All my food blogger friends and beauty blogger friends swear by this ring light. This ring light is great at evening out all of the different shadows in this shot so that the cupcakes are evenly lit. Shh, don't tell anyone. I didn't actually bake these cupcakes. I bought them from Trader Joe's, but hey, no one will know. The first prop is the sun catcher. So this is a rainbow catcher that you can attach to your window and it creates a really cool circular rainbow light.
Shine it straight into your face.
I can't see a thing.
Yeah.
I don't know about you guys, but I love Christmas all year round. So I like to pull out my string lights for my photos because it adds a cool depth effect to any portrait.
The end will be by the model's face, and then you take the tail end and bring it by the camera so that it blurs out closer to the camera. And you get this cool little string lights bokeh effect.
You don't need a lot of money to create the rainbow effect. You can also use iridescent paper that you can find at any craft store. Favorite props come from the kitchen. So this is cellophane paper that's iridescent. You can also use saran wrap or even foil to create a cool bokeh effect. For the next photography hack, we're going to show you a really cool cinematic way to create a panning shot without any equipment. So I know when I first started with photography, I didn't have a big budget to spend on fancy tripods.
We tested this hack and we decided that it's a little difficult on the carpet with the books, but it might work better with a blanket on top of the hardwood floor.
I give this hack a thumbs down because it didn't really work for us. You guys love my clothing hack video, so I decided why not throw in a clothing hack in this video. Faux fur pillows can be super expensive, but I really don't want to spend $80 to $90 on a pillow. For instance, this faux fur vest can also double as a faux fur pillow. Fold it a few times and it instantly looks like a faux fur pillow. One of my biggest struggles when it comes to photography is traveling and trying to take photos at the same time. When you're traveling abroad, it's really hard to trust a stranger with your expensive equipment like DSLR camera or your phone. My favorite website of the moment is Flytographer. They have a list of trusted photographers that you can hire on the go. It's really quick and super simple. One of my pet peeves is forgetting to charge my vlog camera. With your battery pack, you can actually charge more than just your phone. You can actually charge any mirrorless camera. So through the USB cord, you can charge this whenever you're on the go. Plug this side directly into the camera. Make sure to turn it on so that the light is on. You can actually shoot with this while it's plugged in too, which is really awesome. I know this is a really weird hack, but it totally works. Last but not least, I wanted to talk about my photography workflow. So this is what I like to do after I shoot all of my photos and how I like to store and save my images. A short story time for you guys. I actually had my car broken into last year and it was so traumatizing because the person stole my hard drive with all of my memories. I felt incredibly sad, but I'm really happy that I'm safe. But the worst part of it all was I lost a lot of precious memories. I'm going to share with you my photography workflow so I can save you guys time and a lot of lost memories as well. Straight from the camera, I like to take out my memory card and I'll directly upload it to my computer. This is my mini portable hard drive. I like to save my images in a folder with the date, the campaign name, or the brand name. Next, I like to save it on an online storage solution. So I use Dropbox, or you can also use Google Photo. Now that I have everything uploaded to Google Photo and Dropbox, I can actually access all of that on my phone. So whenever I'm on the go, I have all of my images on my phone ready at a touch of a button, and that way I don't have to worry about ever losing any of my images or videos. So with all these photography hacks, I hope you learned something new. So be sure to tag me in any of your pictures on Instagram or any of your social media websites at Fashion by Ali so I can go like your pictures and stalk your photos. I'm really excited that I updated my blog, fashionbyali.com. I recently transferred my domain to Squarespace. Squarespace has a ton of beautiful templates. With all the customer support, it made the transition super simple. And it's great if you need a website or if you're interested in building an online store. To save 10%, you can go to squarespace.com/fashionbyali when you're ready to launch your website or domain. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and my YouTube Reels at Fashion by Ali. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye!